Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, sign into your primary Google account, and make sure the device clock matches network time, because mismatched time breaks secure connections. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link and temporarily disable VPNs or proxies. They can block Play. Now open Settings and look for Google Play Store and Apps. Don't hesitate. If you see it, proceed to uninstall updates next to refresh the app core. Next, repair the app stack. Open App Info for Google Play Store and hit Uninstall Updates to revert to factory version, which removes corrupted updates. Then clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play services. This removes bad temp files and resets account sync. Once cleared, restart the phone to relaunch services cleanly. When it boots, the system will update Play automatically, so wait a few minutes and let it download required components. Finally, open Google Play Store and follow prompts to accept terms and sign in. This reestablishes account tokens and permissions. Make sure Play Services updates. If automatic updates stall, sideload the matching APK from a trusted source for your Android version and device architecture. If you still can't access Play, remove and re-add your Google account to refresh sync. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset. Quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.